This is local wine. Do you know the meaning of what you have done? But what have I done?
What have you done?
Pastor?
What have you done? Anabaka Ariyeloji. Anabaka Ahuwata Eze. Aneji Otuaka Azonwa Madi. Aneji Otuaka Ekechi Ngugu. Lost is he who does not know the footsteps of his ancestors. This gift of divinity was seen and kept by our predecessors. But we forget that one who carelessly throws away the broom at night will search for it when morning comes. For everything has its own form. Drinking this wine from nature's vine seals our communion. Me as yours and you as mine. The sacredness of this occasion is the uniqueness of this tradition. This is like cleaning the anus before defecating. Hey!
Hey!